Max. Maxie. Max. Glutimus Maximus. Glutimax. 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 Gluty Moody. Hootie. You gonna work for Hooters? You gonna work for Hooters? Huh? Are you a service animal? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get me a service animal, but it's gonna be a snake. Yes. That way he scares people. Yeah, and keeps me from getting bad people. Yes. A service snake. A service monkey. Huh, Max? Max! Maxie Pad. Is he the cutest cat you ever saw? He is so sweet. He keeps me from going crazy. See, this is why we think he might be Bengal. Not sure if that's just his interrupted stripes or if that's snowshoe Bengal pattern. But he looks just like the snowshoe Bengal. Don't you love my sheets? Those are waterbed sheets from the 70s. I love them. We had a waterbed. And this is my comforter that I got at Goodwill 20 years ago for $19. And I bought one online paid $300 for it. I sent it back because it was yucky. It was like 10 threads per inch. You know, and yeah, this is cheesy, but not, it's a cross-kill. But I can wash it in the washing machine. I love it. Yeah. I love it. I'm old-fashioned. That's all right. We don't do debt. So, got nothing. Have zero debt. Dave Ramsey. We're Dave Ramsey's graduates. I'm debt-free. We're debt-free. Yeah, that includes the trucks and the trailer and the house. Huh. But guess what? We got the house sold in San Diego. Yes. Yes. Yes, the house in San Diego is sold. Yes, yes. Maybe we can start building our new house. Yes. Sell this dump and that place in San Diego. $500,000. And with this house, we have a pretty nice house. Yeah. One level. Bye.